Barren Point Bumpers Display Kit Installation Guide. Assemble the bottom of the display stand. Fix with washers and nuts. Install the vertical poles. Secure with connection plates. Then install the top support. Fasten with screws and nuts. Install the logo shell. Attach 4 screws, top and bottom. Install the front bracket. Fix with this connection plate. Secure the back with nuts. Install the middle support rod. Note that long screws are used here. Install the rear support rod. Install the upper bracket. Install the bumper bracket. Install the left and right lower bumper brackets. Tighten all screws and nuts. Installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing Barren Point.